Hi everyone, and in this video we will be discussing about Success AI, and this is the best AI powered cold emails software. So before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform called Success AI. Now jumping straight on, you will be able to see that we have basically amazing set of features in here. So an amazing thing about this platform is the AI integrated cold email and lead generation system. So you can simply get yourself all of the emails verified. So now if you are trying to generate different type of leads manually, it is going to be really slow and a lot of the leads are going to be wasted. So it have this intelligent enrichment AI that they say, and it is going to be filtering out by simply processing different type of details about that email and the lead that it is going to be generating. You can also get unlimited email sending and high volume dispatch using this. You have your easy campaigns and fast results, so everything is going to be displayed in here. Now if you simply scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see your strategies that you can build up using Success.ai. We have one-click activation. With a single click you can activate the warm-up tools, simplifying the process of ensuring maximum email delivery and efficiency. Also, another thing is spam free. So the emails that you are going to be sending are going to be looking way less spammy and markety or salesy. So it is a really great thing about this since it has some AI integration. You have your maximizing your success with 700 million verified B2B leads. So that is something really high volume that it is going to be providing. Talking about reviews about sales Success AI, you will be able to get to know that people are really liking the platform. Email marketing for my company, Success AI breeds success. And yeah, make sure to give a try using the link in the description that you can get to access with an extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. So make sure to not miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.